once again you all are welcome in my channel. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic. First of all, I want to thanks you all to like my video, the last video that I put on how to remove a plagiarism using a spin board, and there I got one advice from one of the my subscriber. He advised me to just view another software that is available on the web for removing plagiarism. So I take this opportunity and look into that topic, and find that particular software is also very good and very informative, but it has certain drawbacks. So without wasting time, let us start this video and look into the software that subscriber suggested me. So for that, I am taking the same text that I used earlier for my video, where I use this text to make plagiarism free by using the spin board. Now in this video I'll show you how this software, that is what we called Quillbot. So I'll write it here, Quillbot, and you see it is the artificial intelligence paraphrasing tool, and a million of students and professionals already using this Quillbot, it is mentioning here. And one only drawback with this software or tool is that it is paid, but still they offer you something for making the free. It has a limitation as compared to the spin board. If we compare it, this is a good tool, but it has a limitation that it can only plagiarize, it can remove the content, plagiarized content of 400 characters only. So for 400 characters I just copy this text from here. I copied it, and this is near about 50 words. So I copied it and pasted here. So once I pasted it and did the requill, see the quill text appeared here, and you see the lines, the changes it has done, it is clearly mentioned with the red colors here. And this is just word flipper. You can increase or decrease the intensity of word flipping by this icon. This is the very good feature that I found here, like fewer synonyms and more accurate. You have to put your plug here, and if you want less accurate and the more synonyms, which is help you to have plagiarism less, you can move this button, slide this button from here to here. So it will again flip it and gives you another paraphrasing paragraph. That is very good. This feature I found very interesting. By doing so, you can flip your text, but I am not sure this will not be catched by the Authenticate or any other plagiarism software. So it is in this way you can increase or decrease its accuracy. By making it less accurate, you have to carefully read the paraphrasing phase thus obtained, and if you put it more accurate, then the accuracy is more, but the flipping is less. So this how this is work. If you maintain a 50-50 relationship, you can have a very good result in terms of unplagiarized text. And another one most important feature that I found here is fluency. If you click on fluency, you can find the text again rewritten, and it will also tell you how many sentences are there. Like here in this paragraph there are 3 sentences, so 3 sentences is also shown to you. And if you want to you just have to select this if you want to do the flipping. So if I write it, see, if you want to do the single line, like what is an artificial intelligence, you want to you want to flip it. So if I do it with more synonyms and less accurate, see, it is what is artificial intelligence, like this, AI just putting in front rather than this. If I put it in between, you see how changes it done, which is almost same. So if I less it fewer synonyms and only one sentence it is shown, that that get change. So if I click it on fluency, then again it will show you the same sentence. So this how you can work on this software also. But I found this software little bit tough because it there are two reasons that I found this software less efficient than Spinbot. Number one, you have to it just flipping the words, not changing the sentence, complete sentence, number one. And another thing, the limitation of the free version, that they are given you only 400 characters, where the Spinbot gives you 10,000 characters at a time. And similarly, if you go for its premium, so once you click it, it will show you if you want 10,000 character per limit and you want to use all the 5 modes and sentence, then you have to sign up with monthly $5 near about, and if annually you want, then 3.33 per month, and that is nearly $40. And if you want to take a this plan, semi-annually plan, then it will cost you up to $25. So although this tool is quite good, and it is an application of artificial intelligence where it use the neural network or NLP libraries to paraphrasing the text, but this is not a good this is not completely remove the plagiarism in the content. So but again, since this is a very good tool that I found, you can compare it yourself with the Spinbot and this. But at the last, I'll advise you all guys to be careful to read the text that you obtained, because several times it has a different meaning. So you have to read it once again and correct it if you found it unsuitable. So I think this will definitely, these tools will help you to do your task fast, and you can use it for writing your research proposals. You can use it to writing your, if you want to apply for abroad for higher education, this can be used for writing your statement of purpose, and also used for writing your thesis, also used for writing your assignments. Because several times the results and conclusion one can found easily. For the researcher it is not a big problem. The problem is to write the literature part, and since literature at everywhere it is almost common, if you want to write a review of something, so there is not much more content for that you can write it in your own language. So there, to waste your time, I'll advise you to use these kind of tools to write the literature review and to write the thesis. So but I will not advise you to use this to write your own result and abstract, because that must be unique and that must be your, because you know better what to write into that. So I hope you understand this and like this video. I'll be come back in the next week with some more innovative video like this. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.